Hey insulators, we are here this afternoon at our shop down here in Alabama, and this is Barry Porter. So every time we call, I say, hey Barry, this is Barry.
And I say, hey Barry, this is Barry.
So Barry has purchased CoolVacs from us. He's also purchased a 1500 HP, and he came down here and we went through that. We replaced 2 blowers and an agitator. How are things going with the machines?
I tell you what, I'm so glad that I met you when I first got into this business. I'm thankful that that it was you that I met, because you've been so beneficial and helpful and available. I've paid attention to how you travel around and different things like we do, all of us on Facebook and with my business, my small business. And there's never been a time that I reached out to you that you blew me off or you made me feel that I wasn't necessary to what was going on in your world. You made me feel priority. Just driving down here to Gulf Shores, and I mean, the man just basically rebuilt me a complete insulation machine. I wouldn't have had it taken to nobody else, and I'm thankful for you and what you've done for me, Barry.
Awesome. Well, we were glad to help you get that thing refurbished and see many more years out of that thing.
Absolutely. I'm ready to go make some more money.
Okay, have a safe trip.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
God bless you, brother.
You too.